Why should I get a tune-up? Ever wondered why your car feels a little sluggish or why your fuel economy seems to be taking a hit? It might be time for a tune-up. The importance of regular tune-ups. A tune-up is like a regular checkup for your car. It helps ensure that all the essential components are functioning properly. Key points: improved fuel efficiency, better engine performance, longer engine life, reduced emissions. What happens during a tune-up? During a tune-up, your mechanic will inspect and replace or clean various key points: spark plug replacement, air filter replacement, fuel filter replacement, lubrication of moving parts, inspection of belts and hoses. Signs you need a tune-up. If you notice any of these signs, it might be a sign that key points: reduced fuel efficiency, decreased engine power, rough idle or stalling, check engine light on, strange noises from the engine. When to schedule a tune-up. Generally, it's recommended to get a tune-up every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Investing in regular tune-ups can save you money in the long run and ensure that your car is so. Schedule your tune-up today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to keep updated on all the new videos, and if you look after your car or van, it will look after you. Thanks for watching.